Hey guys, how's it going? This is Spark to Explore, and we have found an incredible abandoned place for you guys. So, it's an abandoned state school in the Northeast, in the New England area. There's a lot of dark history here, and we're gonna look into it as much as we can and find what we can. And as we go, I'm gonna try and gather as much information to relate to you. This place is huge. It's realistically a whole town. This whole place is on 160 or so acres. They have their own power plant. They have their own church. They have their own auditorium. They were super self-reliant, so no one could leave. But let's check it out. Check this out. Media Resource Center. Sitting here, get your hair done. Get your makeup done all up, watching TV. Right before you come out on the stage. What is this?
That's what I waited.
Oh, guys. Oh, my goodness. There's still electricity? What do you mean, what do I mean?
This is what we were hearing.
My heart's pounding. There's an incredible
What'd you find? We found a beautiful window.
Dude, there's a fan on.
A fan.
Spinning. Look at that. Wow. If I was here attending anything up here, this would be my seat.
I'm gonna take them up.
Yo guys, check this out. This is just, oh man. Look how big this door is. Oh my God, guys. These are blueprints. That's the blueprints for the original hospital. That's the blueprints for the original hospital, guys. Here are conviction, no eviction. Look at the floors. Oh, what? Oh my God, guys, look at the ceilings. Let's see if I can get a light up there. Wow. Sammy station, all sorts of. Oh, look at this window. These block windows are so cool. I love these. It's actually kind of weird. Like, I have these in my bathroom at my house. Like, in my shower. I love them. I love them. Just something about them. It's like a kaleidoscope. It's super neat. An old record player. Imagine what kind of music they used to play on this. Elvis Presley. What's this? Was this a projector? It was. What? Some really cool stuff in this whole place. So guys, we just found a little packet that had a, what was it, a notice of grievance?
Of grievance. Someone was like killed here or whatever, and the person that killed
Yeah,
the person was suspended.
Right, so it's like, I don't even know what to say about it. This place was just uncontrollable, unreal. How somebody could murder somebody on this property and get away with it with, you know, just a suspension. Oh, there's a little bird. Hi, birdie.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
And it still has the seatbelt restraints on it as well.
It's a wheelchair commode.
That's so cool. Look at the iron that they use to reinforce.
Oh, sick.
Oh my god, it still works.
Does it?
Yeah.
Fucking sick.
Just go down. Step on that.
Huh? No.
Yep. Jump, 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 jump. Jump, 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 jump on it. Jump on
I was
it.
thinking jump around.
That too.
Jump around.
No, look, it works. Okay, there it goes.
The pioneers used to ride these babies for miles. It's not just a rock. No, it's not just a boulder. It's a rock.
Guys, check out that chair. That's so cool. I love the old style furniture. It's so comfortable looking. Check out this mantle. I love fireplaces. There's some fireplaces and pools. They're just the coolest thing in my mind. And that's a pretty cool shrine, if I'm gonna be honest.
Right.
Hello? Look at this old bed. Oh my god. Whoa, guys, check this out.
Every photo I take in here.
That kind of freaks me out. I don't know what that is. Arrow flush.
What is a restraint chair? Restraint chair.
Whoa!
Yo, old wheelchairs too.
Look at these guys. This is insane. Yo,
What?
Basement?
Yeah.
Yeah, no, I saw another entrance.
But hang on. Does this do a big loop? Because hang on, I want to show you guys.
I don't think it does, but this should be the last room.
What is that? Is that a light? Oh, that's like a surgeon lamp, isn't it?
Yep, I'm automatically uncomfortable now.
Oh, that is cool. And there's some shit in here. That
Is that blueprint, Bob?
dude, I don't know what I haven't come in here yet. But I was looking.
Vials,
Yeah.
purple tops, anticoagulant. Ventilation thing?
Ventimeter, ventilator, air shields.
What?
You know what that is?
Treatment table.
That's to take blood. Right? Am I right?
I think you're right, because the pump.
The vacuum increase on off. You know? So I saw that and I'm like, that's whack. But where it gets crazier, come check this out. Well, I'm coming through here and I'm like, wow, all these tables, you know, who knows what was done on the tables. These old couches with no cushions. American Sterilizer Company.
And that's where the sterilization is done.
You want to go upstairs, not downstairs?
Now I want to check. I just very lightly, one at a time, want to check upstairs. Alright, I'm going to make my way up there.
Wait, hang on. Hello?
Careful.
That was the piano, right?
Yeah, I think.
No, I don't know. But I said hello and it stopped.
Question.
Were you guys messing around with like...
We were all the way back that way.
We heard a jingling sound, like a dong.
No, we were all the way back that way.
It almost sounded like wind chimes from right here.
Yeah, we were all the way back that way.
Yeah, he literally goes.
I go, hello?
And it stopped.
And it f***ing stopped.
You got
Yeah.
that video?
Yeah, I have it all.
He goes, you guys hear that? We're like, what? We all quiet. You can't like wind
to the
chimes.
basement.